and we are from Applied Calculus 002G, and our group name is Modulus. So these are my group members.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Najmi bin Muhammad Zamri.
And me, Muhammad Uzai Aiman bin Mahfud.
And me, Muhammad Shizalhan bin Muhammad Ismail. So today we are going to explain our group assignment calculus, question number 3. So the question is about Tajul is one of the famous Malaysian mountaineers. During his visit to Tibet, he discovers new mountain in the area of Yangtze. If the mountain is modeled as this equation, where x and y is measured in mile, estimate the relative maximum height of the mountain he has to climb in meters.
So this is the given function, which is the fxy equal to negative x to the power of 4 minus y power of 4 plus 2xy. So for the first part, what we need to do is we need to differentiate both function into the fx and also the fy. So what you can see here, this is we need to do is the first one, we need to differentiate into the fx, del over x. So we need to focusing on the x and differentiate them, and this is what the answer we get. And then for the second part, we need to differentiate it into the function of fy. So the del over y. So we differentiate it by focusing on the y. So this is the answer for the function y and answer for function x and y. This is for the first part.
And now, from these two equations, we have to identify the critical points. So thus, by using elimination method, we'll get these numbers here. By solving those two equations by using elimination method. Thus, after this, we need to do second differentiation of fx and fy. Thus, it will become fxx, which is negative 12 x squared. Fyy equals to negative 12 y squared. And for fxy is equal to 2, which is from here. We differentiate this part here. Okay, and now we have to use this formula over here to identify whether there's a maximum point or whether there's a saddle point. So thus, by substituting 0, 0, which we identify for one of the critical points, we identify that there will be negative 4, which is less than 0. Thus, function f has a saddle point at 0, 0. And for the next one, we substitute another critical point, and thus we identify that it will be more than 0. Thus, it is a maximum point. So to say that f has a relative maximum point at negative half 1 over square root 2 and 1 over square root 2.
To calculate the maximum value, and for the function fxy is negative x to the power of 4 minus minus y to the power of 4 plus 2xy. So we will substitute the critical point negative to the function negative 1 over square root 2 and negative 1 over square root 2, and so you will get the maximum height value is 1 over 2 miles. So for next function, we will substitute the next critical point, which is 1 over square root 2. So the answer we will get 34, which is greater than 0, and the ffx also we get negative 6, which is below than 0, less than 0. Okay, so we have identified that function f has relative maximum at this critical point also, 1 over sec 2 and 1 over sec 2. And after we will calculate the maximum value, 1 mile is equal to 1852 meter. So we get the maximum value is half mile. So the relative maximum height that Tajul has to climb is 926 meter. Okay, that's all. Thank you.